Hello! This week in my mini planner, I'm going to use this kit by 3 Tiny Bows. I do PR for her. Code is TTBVANNESSA to save 20% because I like the umbrella and it's rainy and cold here. By Brianna Nicole Designz. I do PR for her. She does have a sale right now. Use code new releases to save 50%. And I will leave the links down below for her Etsy store and her new Shopify. And the prices are cheaper on Shopify, so you can save even more. So I have the YouTube icons and the post to social media. And then I have the Instagram icons by Missy Lynn Designs. But I don't think she's on social media anymore. And by Posh Pieces by Melissa, I had this real cute little box. And by Julie's Bow Boutique, I had this real pretty gray little crocheted bow. So those will be the clips I'm using. So we'll go ahead and get started. And I'll write in my dates real quick. Got this just cute little dollar store pen. And September is almost over. Will be the end of this week. I am not ready for winter. So I'm going to put these, I want them all on the outside this week. This week I'm done with my physical therapy, so that's nice. So I don't have all those appointments. I just have one appointment this week. It's almost like a relief. It seems like that's all I do is run to various appointments. And I'm just not ready for fall and winter. Just not ready. I don't like cold. I like the icons in this kit. They're little, if I can show you one, little leaves. So that is super cute. Sweaters. We'll put the days of the week in, and they're not quite gonna be lined up because, you know, I want them to be right and not cover up too much of my pictures. So I'll probably use something else to kind of cover that up. Maybe put my check boxes there. That will work. And you might still see some of it, but it's not really that big of a deal to me. Because I won't have the problem on this side. I'm not quite ready for fall, and you know, I drink a lot of coffee and stuff, and pumpkin pie is alright, but I would not say like I'm super into pumpkin spice, because I'm just not. And I like duck boots. I suppose I'd wear them if I have to, but most generally I'm not a boot person. I like stuff comfortable person. So I'm going to put my little check boxes on this side. And I don't always have stuff to check off every day, and that's okay too. And I'm going to put my counters, I think, up here this week. And we will use an orange. I'm going to flip this one over. Some weeks they're at the top, some weeks they're at the bottom. It just depends. So we have that. So we have the cute weekend sticker. And I think this week I'm going to run it right along the side here. Little basket of apples there. Coffee's kind of tall, so we'll put it down here. A sweater to keep warm. Use the pumpkin coffee on Monday because you always need some coffee on Monday. And even though I didn't have a donut today, I would have loved to have had a donut. Alrighty. So my post to social media days will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then I'll write down the rest of the stuff I need to do. And I think that is pretty much it for this week. Oh, I hadn't even opened this one. But I thought the colors of the foxy went with it. So there is my spread for the week. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.